everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're joining me today because we're back here in the beautiful Summerlin, and I have a good news because I just spoke with the builder and they told me that they are already offering thousands of incentives towards your upgrades or buying down your interest rate. And of course, this depends upon certain qualifications, and this is really good because it is a much needed help in today's rising interest rate. As we all know, guys, the housing market is shifting towards in favor of the buyer. So I'm so excited. Let's do this. Let's tour this home together. All right, guys, this is the home, two-car garage, Kensington model. So let's take a look at this model here. Ooh, a different kind of entrance. Knock, knock. Ooh, wow. Look at this view here, guys. Let me close the door quickly. Wow, this is a very open space here, right? And you have that mini backyard there, or side yard. Wow, let's go on this side of this corner of this house. I like the selection of their furniture too. Very, very elegant. It feels so homey here. Literally, like when you enter the house, it looks very homey. You feel like you wanted to cook, you wanted to eat, and then watch TV after. Let's go to that beautiful kitchen. Oh, wow. Okay, on this side is your laundry area, right? You can put some cabinetry there if you want. And then this is the view from their laundry area. And then we're gonna open this one because there's something here, guys. You have your pantry area there. Ooh, this quartz is beautiful. By the way, guys, when I spoke with a builder, the agent told me that this quartz normally are included. Look at the beautiful, I installed this in Maryland when I was building my house there. It has that sparkle, which I really like. So what they told me is that the backsplash that you're seeing here are upgrades and also the flooring. But typically the cabinetry and the countertops are already included in the price, so you don't have to worry about those. It's just a matter of selecting which style or color of cabinetry and countertops would you like. And again, these are all included: appliances, sink, right? They have beautiful appliances, honestly, compared to some of the houses I've toured. All right, so this is your view from your island. Really huge island. I feel like you can fit 4 bar stools here easily. So yeah, this is and you still have space for like 6 seating for your dining area. This is a very spacious layout here, given that it's only 1,600 something square feet. And I can see a mini area here. Look at that, guys. From this side, you can see the strip. That is the strip. All right, so I have an idea. I love the stonework as well, right? That stonework there. So you have an idea. I have an idea here. You can put like a barbecue here, right? Really nice. Okay, so that's really good that there is a space for your side yard. And then let's go first on this side because I'm seeing something on this side. Ooh, okay, so let's open this. This might be your coat closet. Wow, this is humongous, guys. This is definitely huge. Okay, so I'm gonna go here because I wanted to make sure I can go further for you guys. So this one, you can store a lot of your boxes here that you don't need, like things that are seasonal. For example, Halloween costumes, Christmas decors. Okay, so let's go on this side, guys. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, hello guys. So you have this is a massive half bathroom. Yeah, this is very, very wide. Look at the flooring that they've used. And again, you can upgrade that pedestal sink into cabinet sink so that you have more storage. Again, you can get this different future car charger. Not sure if this can be opened. This is the garage opening. So once you open the garage, this is your view, guys. And then this is the half bath, right, that we checked. Wow, I am impressed by the layout of this model because it's only 1,600 square feet, right? But it feels so spacious. All right, guys, we're going up, and I really appreciate if you can subscribe down below and comment so far what do you think of this home. Okay, let's check out what's happening here. Ooh, this is a nice bedroom here, right? Very, very nice and very spacious. Again, they put that huge windows there, which is I really like because it's low, so it adds a lot of lighting. Ooh, this is the owner's bedroom, I believe, because there is a bathroom there, which we are going to check. This is the owner's, right? Again, guys, the only upgrade that they told me are the floorings. So this cabinetry here is already included. Hello, guys. Again, you have 2 sinks there. Let's check out the... It's not the biggest closet, but at the same time, you know, appreciated, right? Because this is only 1,600 something square feet, but they were able to fit a walk-in closet. All right, so that's your walk-in closet there. This is your owner's bedroom, very spacious. Let's check out what's happening on the other side. Ooh, Aviators fan, comment down below. Look at that, right? Comment down below, guys. This is a very spacious secondary bedroom. And then I like that they also have this walk-in closet here. Very, very appreciated for a secondary bedroom. All right, there's another bedroom here that I'm seeing. These are very spacious secondary bedroom. Right? Very, very spacious because of that window there. It gives more natural light inside. And then you have that closet there. Let's see. Yeah, it's not a walk-in closet, but definitely appreciated. Okay, and you have, of course, your bathroom, full bathroom, and also dual sink. One for each bedroom that are sharing this bathroom. And this configuration, guys, is very nice because it, you know, someone can close that and do their shower, and then the other person can do the sink situation. Right. So this is how it looks like from inside. Really nice, very spacious, and the floor selection is also very, very nice. All right, I think we've toured everything on this second floor, and I noticed that the stairs is pretty wide. It doesn't justify on the video, but once you go here, it feels very large than common townhomes that I've toured so far. Okay, so this is your view going down. Right, this is the view of your main living area. I like this kitchen so far, very, very bright. And look at the huge refrigerator. This is included, guys. Appliances are included. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to comment down below what do you think of this home. And as I mentioned a while ago on my introduction, the builder is already offering thousands of incentives, of course, depending upon certain situations. For example, the buyer's qualification or the community where the home is located. And that is a much needed help in today's rising interest rates. So therefore, a lot of these builders are already offering discounts or incentives. As we all know, guys, the housing market is shifting towards in favor of the buyer. Again, guys, I appreciate your subscription to the channel. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I would be glad to answer them all. I really love reading comments. Until next time, have an amazing day.